Hello friends, this is our TL20. Here we got our engine, it's Cummins EPR 4. We can use in America and Canada. In this point we got our battery with locker. Our cabin, it's a special one. It's a comfortable for our driver. We got the one adjustable seat with hydraulic system. We got air conditioner, radio, fan. We got our screen, that one, and we got the one possible you can move the position to drive in your best way. Here we got our tank with filter, and this tank you can work all day. It's very easy to do. And also here we got our quickly change system. This quickly change, you can change all attachments from your cabin. It's easy and perfect to work. Thanks a lot. How many minutes?